and gentlemen, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code RAMENRATER for a discount. That's one word, RAMENRATER. Anyway, yeah, what's this stuff called? It's Togarashi Min, Umakara, Tomato, and Cheese. Nissin. It's a Nissin cup noodle styly one. Looks pretty neat. Tomato and cheese. Red pepper noodle. So basically, it's got some shichimi togarashi in with it. And shichimi togarashi is basically 7 pepper blend. Okay? So it's just like basically a spicy seasoning. This one requires 310 milliliters of water, which I have in this, which just came out of the microwave. So add the noodle block, the loose bits, a little bit of shna. Is that what you call it? And then I'm just gonna cover it up with this for now. This is gonna go for 1, 2, 3 minutes. I'll give it a little bit of a push with this fork. There we go. Submerged a little, makes it a little aerated. I don't know. So what's going on? The kids are doing so well. 3 episodes in a row. What's up with that? What a waste of time this has been doing the show a different way, right? But I don't know, it was killing me. It's like I'd get like this far into a show and there'd just be like shrieks and screams and I just couldn't take it anymore. But we'll see how it goes. Huh? You're welcome. How you doing, Miles? Do you want to rock? Alright. Can you sing your song?
Yes.
All right. For all the tea in China, here you go. Miles, come here. I want to rock. Dun, 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 dun. I want to rock. Keep going. Rock. Rock. Rock! 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 Yeah. High five, good job. He's the king, ladies and gentlemen. He's the king. He likes that one, and he really, really likes Funky Fanfare by Keith the Man Mansfield. If you have never heard that song, you're really missing out. It's a funky fanfare. If you have like Amazon Music Unlimited, tell it to play KPM 1000. I think it's KPM 1000, the Big Beat Volume 1, and that's got a bunch of stuff on it. This library music is crazy because it's just like all this commercial music. And you'll start hearing things and it's like, I remember that song. Where did I hear that? That was like a Pepsi commercial, but it's like really, really rad music. So it's like you get all the best of the stuff that companies paid money for to be able to just use and license it out. It's pretty crazy. Not as crazy as you, sweetie pie, but pretty darn crazy. All right. You gotta calm down. You gotta take it way down. Take it down 20 notches. This is Spicy noodle. Yeah. Umakara Shichi Togarashi men. So it's pretty neat. They both have school now, although he's got to do a couple days this week of school. She doesn't have any school this week. She's pretty unhappy about that. She really likes school. She's got a little friend. They've got a play date on Zoom on Wednesday, which is rad. So it's nice. And it's fun because it's like every morning when they do their online school stuff, the first thing is like everybody in class says hello to each other. It's kind of nice, you know? It's like, hello, Miles. Hello, insert name here. And then the next person says hello to the next person, the next person, the next person. Miles likes to say hello to people. So does Mimi. Let's give this a try. Kind of a tomatoey thing. It's got a tomato taste, a little bit of heat. Very funky. I do not like that. I really don't. That's just something wrong with it, man. Something is not right. Which is too bad because it seems like it could be a really good one. Okay, let me make sure that you can see it. There you go. So we're gonna make this as fancy as possible within reason. I don't think it's gonna be all that easy to make super fancy, but got that. Need an egg in there. I'm gonna beg my wife to make more soft-boiled eggs tonight. Because I tell you, these eggs, I know they're cage-free, but I prefer chickens that were kept in cages and tortured. So, no, I don't know. I don't know. Chickens probably really aren't happy about the fact that their offspring are just like taken from them and put in bowls of noodles. I don't think they like that, no matter if they've been in a cage or not. You never know. They could love it. Okay. The eggs have been used, ladies and gentlemen. Repeat, the eggs have been used. I have no more eggs, except for ones that are destined for excellence. I've got a little bit of fish cake here. I'd like that to sit up a little higher on the... Just a little. Use some of these mung bean sprouts. I got mung bean sprouts like a week ago that it was just like mission critical. I needed mung bean sprouts. Didn't even ever get to use them. My wife was just like, you had to go get mung bean sprouts and you didn't even use them? I didn't feel good that day. Did you really need to go get... I'm like, I'm sorry. I really thought I needed mung bean sprouts. I guess. I don't know. Sometimes it's like things just aren't as opportune as I wish they could be. We'll go for some black sesame seeds in this one. More than enough. That's more than enough. that good? I think so. Alright, let's Rotato do its simple loving, sweet magic. Try that. All ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. That is fancy. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 3 episodes in one day. I feel like I'm back. I'm really happy about that. Go check out Instant Noodles Dash, the Ramen Raider. It's a group on Facebook. I'll approve you. It's experiencing explosive growth right now. And yeah. Have a good one. Bye-bye.